Hi, it's Ellie Burgundy here with a 60-second news update from the park. Today we've got a large number of seagulls seem to be appearing. Let's try and find out while we're here. What I'm going to do, go in, see if I can get a bit of an interview. Bear with me. Guys, can you come back and answer a couple of quick questions? Just got a quick question. Unfortunately, they're fleeing the scene when trying to interview. I fear that we're not going to be able to get the answers we want. I'm going to try this crow down here. See if he's happy to answer any question. Excuse me, mate, I just want to ask a couple of questions about the seagulls. Sorry if I just get a little interview with you. Over here, man. So what do you think the seagulls are doing here? So, I can't hear you, you're a bit far away. Alright, we'll leave you alone. Cheers, man. Doesn't look like we're going to get answers. Gonna try these pigeons quick. Hey, wood pigeons, you're a friendly bunch. Can I ask you a couple of questions?